Angry Beekeeper here. I'm in southern Ontario, Canada. And world, as you well know, in Canada we've got hundreds and hundreds of wildfires burning out of control. Thousands of acres, dozens and dozens of northern communities, indigenous communities, fleeing for their lives, maybe never to return to their towns. Thousands, millions of animals displaced and unalived because of this terrible situation. But on a lighter note, there's one creature that nobody's talking about, and he for sure has been kicked out of his home by the fires. Bigfoot.